Standard 6th, English Medium. Subject Geography. Lesson number 1. The Earth and the Graticule. In what direction will Natalia in Rome and Enrique in Lima say the other child lives? Will their answers be the same? Graham, Katya, Michiko, Natalia, Meenakshi, Shahid and Enrique have answered the above questions differently using directions and subdirections. The Taj Mahal is located at one and at the same place, and that is Agra. However, when each one of the children told the direction from their respective places, their answers were different. This means that the use of directions alone does not help us to accurately describe the location of a place. That is why it became necessary to find a new system to state the precise location of any place on the earth. Figure 1.2 shows the lengths of the east and west and north-south diameters of the earth. This will give you some idea about the size of earth. Oceanic waters, uneven nature of the land, forests, innumerable islands of different sizes, and buildings make it impossible to accurately draw such lines on the earth. In order to overcome this difficulty, geographers developed a miniature model of the earth in the form of a globe. This can be used to determine locations on the earth. One can actually draw horizontal and vertical lines on a globe, though not on the earth. Thus, they are imaginary lines on the earth. Parallels of latitude. You must have realized that the ellipse drawn by joining the 20-degree points is larger than the ellipse that joins the 60-degree points. However, the distances xk1 and xp2 are the same. This is because we are dealing with a sphere. Note that though these lines appear to be ellipses in the diagram, on the globe they are circles. The circles thus created at some angular distance from the center of the earth are parallel to one another. Hence, they are called parallels of these latitudes. The values of parallels are angular measures expressed in degrees. The degrees of the parallels are measured from the equator as shown in figure 1.5. That is why the equator is considered as 0-degree parallel. It is the largest parallel and also a great circle. The angular distance of other parallels towards the north and south goes on increasing away from the equator. The equator bisects the earth into north and south parts. The one to the north is called northern hemisphere, while the one to the south is called southern hemisphere. Towards the north and south of the equator, parallels of latitude progressively become smaller and smaller. On the globe and also on the earth, at the north and south ends of the earth's axis, they appear as points. These are called the North Pole and South Pole respectively. Meridians of longitude. You will realize that the lines drawn from points A, B and C makes angle at M, the center of the earth on the plane of the equator. Through these points, we can draw semicircles joining both the poles. Starting with point A, we can draw similar semicircles through points placed at each degree. These semicircles are known as meridians of longitude. One of these meridians is considered to be 0. It is known as the prime meridian. The angular distances of the other meridians from the prime meridians are measured in degrees and are called longitudes. You have done this in the activity based on figure 1.9. The 0-degree and 180-degree meridians lie opposite on the globe, forming a circle. This circle divides the earth in the eastern and western hemispheres. All meridians are equal in